Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about our upcoming bootcamp that is on end-to-end machine learning project, and I'm going to discuss about what we are going to cover in this bootcamp. This is best suitable for what kind of people, what are the prerequisites that are needed to join this bootcamp, and also what are the tools and skill set that you will learn throughout the bootcamp. What is the perk, what will you get, and what is the agenda of the bootcamp that you will be able to get or understand after joining this bootcamp. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, you tell me, whenever any project we make in the industry, what are the pipelines are generally being followed? So if you are going to work in any machine learning project, basically these are the I'm going to tell you following things that you will have to focus. First is you will focus always the collection of the data, because any machine learning project is always dependent on the data. Once data is collected, then you will focus on how to do the data analysis. Okay, because data analysis is a very important step, I can say. If you are able to do 80% of the data analysis, then I can say your all the problems are being solved after data analysis. Okay, once I will be able to complete data analysis, then I'll go to the machine learning model building. Okay, so before you go for the machine learning model building, in the data analysis we have to follow multiple steps that I would like to mention here. Like, you first clean the data. Okay, and then once data is being cleaned, you try to visualize it, that okay, how my data does look like, and also what are the key aspects that I can figure out from my data visualization. And once data is visualized, then we will do the feature engineering, that how I can extract the important features that are basically useful for designing my machine learning model. Once this machine learning model is being designed, then I'll try to do the testing, that if whatever my machine learning model I have designed, is it working fine or not. Once testing is done, then I'll make it deployed somewhere, or some server or some platform. Because if you might have seen, if you have worked on any computer related project, then we generally use any ID for that. And suppose if you are showing it to your friend who has no clue about the machine learning, then how will you show them? There should be something, their interface you need, where you can show them. So to reach to that interface, you have to deploy it to your model so that it can be accessible by any other machine. So first we will deploy it, and then once it is deployed, I would say I can connect it with some user interface so it can be easily visible or accessible to everyone. So in this end-to-end ML bootcamp, I'm going to discuss all these pipelines throughout the 10 days. So in this video, I'm going to discuss each and everything, that what will you get after joining this bootcamp. So first discuss this, that first you will be able to, once you will join this bootcamp, you will be able to analyze the business problem clearly. Second thing, after the bootcamp, you will be able to get a project that you can add to your resume, that will be end to end. It means like from scratch to the deployment. Apart from that, whatever resources we will use, we will provide that as well. This will also have the free lifetime access recording, so that in case if you are not able to understand anything even after later, then you can refer it. Apart from that, there is one important thing I would like to discuss here, that is we are going to provide the internship opportunities to all the participants who are going to join this bootcamp. But this internship opportunity will be based on the interview. So suppose if you have joined the bootcamp, you are interested in doing the internship at our organization, you have to fill up a form. A interview, small interview will be taken from our company side, and then you will, if you clear the interview, then the internship opportunity will be given to you. Apart from that, you will be given a bootcamp completion certificate, but it will be provided once you will have the 70% attendance minimum. Okay, so these are the perks that you will get after joining this bootcamp. Apart from that, let's discuss that what will you learn actually after joining this. Okay, so if you join this bootcamp, then you will be able to learn the deployment using the Flask. Okay, and you will be able to get hands-on experience on the scikit-learn keras, which are python libraries, python and machine learning libraries, I can say. And apart from that, you will learn how to containerize a model. Docker you will learn, REST API you can learn, and also you will learn how database is being integrated with your machine learning model, because in industry no one works with the excel sheets data, because it's a very huge amount of the data that is being dealt during the industry. So we will learn that as well. And apart from that, there will be few details I would like to discuss in this bootcamp. That the duration of this bootcamp is 10 days, where we are going to take classes every day for 1.5 hour, and it will be best suitable for the intermediate people. What I mean by intermediate people, it means like the people who have already knowledge about the python and basic understanding of ml theoretical concepts and mathematics behind it. Because our agenda of this bootcamp is provide you the complete hands-on experience to the production level, like what kind of thing you will do in the industry. So I am assuming that the basic mathematics you are already aware, so the detailed mathematics will not be discussed during the bootcamp. More focus is to develop a project for the production side. Okay, so now let's discuss the agenda of the each day. Okay, what is there we have kept. So in the first day we will just discuss the business problem, and we will focus on the software installation. Why did I keep the separate session for software installation? Because there will be many software that we will need during the 10 days, and because everyone has different systems, so it will be important to get install all these softwares to your machine. And also we will provide the guide, installation guide, before joining the bootcamp itself. Okay, in the day 2, we will basically focus on the data analysis part. As I mentioned before, that data analysis has basically three parts to it. One is the data wrangling, second is the data visualization method, and third is the feature engineering method. Okay, so in this day 2 we are going to discuss two important techniques of the data analysis. In day 3 of the data analysis, we will discuss the part 2. In the part 2, we will basically discuss about how to do the feature extraction, how to decide that what are the important features, and for that we are going to use the statistical methods as well. You might have heard about few statistical algorithm, but people are not actually aware that how they can apply it to their data set or their problem. So in the day 3, we are going to discuss all about this. In day 4, we will basically learn about the machine learning algorithm. So we will discuss about the linear regression, assumptions in the evaluation matrices. If you any of you have attended that machine learning interview, you might be aware of this thing, that every interviewer asks about the assumption of the linear regression. So it's very important. So we will discuss all the aspects of the regression problem, how we can utilize them to our business problem. Next, in the day 5, we will discuss about the classification problem, where it will like logistic regression and random forest we will discuss. And also it's like more towards, we will discuss hands-on experience, that how we can apply it to the application, and why this algorithm only, because you might hear this kind of question in the interview as well, that why this algorithm only. So we will discuss that aspect as well. In the day 6, which will be a completely theoretical session, I am going to explain how can you make your project accessible to the users. Basically we are going to discuss about the project, that somehow we can make it deployment ready. Okay, so we will discuss all the aspects that are necessary for it. In the day 7, we are going to discuss about the REST APIs and the Docker, where we will see that what are the REST APIs, how to establish the endpoint connections between your server and also between your project. So all these things we will discuss in the day 7. in the day 8 we will build our UI, because as I said in the initiation that it's not, a project is not accessible to all the people. So we or how will they be able to put their input, and your machine learning will predict something else, right? So for that you have to basically build a dashboard with the help of HTML and JavaScript. We will see that what we can make, or how we can make the UI, user interface, in the very simplest manner. So at day 9, we are going to discuss about the deployment techniques using Docker, REST API, or and UI. So basically all those things that we have learned and designed in the previous days, we will integrate all of them, and we will make the final project at that day 9. And in the day, because project has been completed, so we will discuss about the extension possibility of the project, interview questions that might be asked to you if you are going to attend any data science interview, and also you will learn how to showcase your project, how to explain it. And apart from that, we have kept a small assessment just to check that what you have learned, how you have learned, and how you are going to perform. So this is all about the 10 days agenda, where I'm going to cover everything that a project is required, or in the project basically, from day 1 to day 10, from scratch to deployment. So let's discuss that when this bootcamp is going to held, and when, what are the timings and all. So this bootcamp will be there live on 30th to 22nd of December, and you can register it from our website directly. Apart from that, I would like to tell you that we have conducted similar kind of boot camp before as well, and you can see the review that people have told about us. So I'm assuming that this will be very useful for all of you. So let's see in the boot camp. So if you want to join this bootcamp, we have provided the registration link in the description as well. You can check out the description link and also the discount coupon in the link itself. Thank you.